found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream.
Hi, I'm Anoop, co-founder of With Clarity. Today we're talking about Carat. Carat is the most popular and visible of the 4 C's of diamonds. Carat is a representation of the diamond's weight or its size. Here's an example of a variety of carats ranging from 1/2 all the way to 2.5 carats. As you can see, with each change in carat, you can see the size visibly change as well. As the diamond increases in carat, it becomes more rare, and therefore the price goes up exponentially. When budgeting your diamond, think of putting carat on one side of the spectrum and quality or purity on the other side of the spectrum. As you increase carat, you may need to decrease the quality of the diamond and vice versa. So it's very important to balance the two to optimize your price range. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact any of our GIA graduate gemologists. We're happy to help you shop with confidence and shop with clarity.